Hey guys, welcome back. So this video is going to be adorable, super cute, and of course it's the Winnies, the Polkadoodles. So this is Fairy Tale Winnie, the printed toppers and papers, and I am obsessed with this. This is like my last pack. I made some cute little things. Are they cute? Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so first off, I made 2 cards and 2 tags. Okay, so let me show you the tags. So this is what they look like, and it's a little mirror. And Winnie is there looking at herself in the mirror. Isn't she cute? And then that's the bag. So you can write your message in the back. So I made this one. Then I made this one. Isn't she gorgeous? Like, oh my god. They're all so freaking pretty. Like, I don't have a favorite. They're all my favorite. Look at that. And then I made a card. So this is the card. So it opens like this. So you can write your message there. I didn't do anything to the back. And then this one. Isn't she pretty? Oh my god, look at her. Open. And you have your little mirror, and you can write your message here. This one here, I did 2 different ways. I think I like this one better. I didn't do anything here. It feels like it looks incomplete, right? Where this one, you have the mirror here where you can, with the little mirror. And then this is where you can write your message. So I think I'm going to finish them off like this instead of like this. And then the back, I just leave it plain. What do you guys think? I think the pink one. So these are my mirrors, and I love that they have like the gold edge. So pretty. And then you gotta have makeup, shoes, bags, and makeup. Okay, so I follow Bonas tutorial on how to make this box, so I'll link that in the description bar. And then look. Isn't she gorgeous? She's looking at herself in the mirror. She's about to put her little eyeshadow. And then when you open it, look. You got your eyeshadows going. You got your mirror. And then this box opens also. And I don't have anything in here. But the way Bona made hers, you could add like a gift card. You could put it there. Or you could, add little embellishments. But let's say, I like the gift card idea. Or money. Look at that. Isn't it cute? The back, I just left it plain. And then goes back inside. You don't need the box if you don't want to. You could just leave it just like this. But I like the box idea. Totally Bona's idea. And then you close it up. And you have your box. Let's see. Isn't it cute? So this was my little Polkadoodles project. Super cute. I will put the links to these dies in the description bar. But I hope you guys like it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.